fucking doing a full U-turn there before. That was so fucking tight.
Alright, so today we're working on Aaron's E90. He's been running Unicorn Racing Designs angle adapters for a few years now. He's been killing it, and now he finally is stepping up to a big boy angle kit, and we're going to show you how much it takes to convert E90 from an angle adapter, or actually a normal E90, because they're not going to really differentiate that much, to a full FDF kit.
Several days later.
Unicorn was so close, the pickup point for the tie rod was so close to the lower control arm, but because I had the double arms, it has that false pivot point that's like further out and at a different spot. This is so much tighter moving to a single lower control arm pickup point. The ratio is so much better. Yeah, and it feels like super tight and communicative. Car feels great. Drives straight, it's so good, look at that. Beautiful.
Oh shit! E-brake fucking in. Oh shit. Thoughts?
It's fantastic. It's nice because I'm gonna have to get used to it. There's so much more angle. I get to like the point of angle that I'm used to, and I
You
go,
back
oh
off.
shit, I might spin, and then I touch a little bit, and all of a sudden there's just so much more, and the car actually whips back into shape more than I'm expecting. Like, I'm just not used to driving with this much angle.
Damn.
It's fantastic.
I'm like such a bitch passenger. I was like, oh shit, no, you brake, no.
Yeah. I mean, you know, trying to figure out how the car steers, like the line's a little off, but dude, no problem. Oops, sorry, guy.
I think this is a success. Yeah, dude, like, I mean, the car drove okay before, but like, you look super comfortable.
Yeah, it's the only thing that I have to get used to is the difference in like, okay, I'm at angle, I'm drifting, and how much more I still have, because typically I have to balance right there, and now it's like,
No, you got to throw back in.
yeah.
Oh shit, angle. Damn, son. Oh shit.
That's so sick! Oh my god! I would have fucking done a full U-turn there before. That was so fucking tight.
Did you see how much
Dude.
angle?
That was crazy. We're literally driving backwards. What the fuck? And we got smoke in here. Holy shit.
Dude, it's spinning to 35, it's no problem.
Yeah, it works great actually. I just now that I have more angle to be able to
Like, send it.
not just have forward bite, I can get into that side and let the wheels kind of over rotate a little bit. Yeah, it runs these 235 Kendas great. What a good car. 328s, baby, E90. Slept on. Don't make the price go up.